The vivomeetings Learning Center provides convenient access to information about vivomeetings products and features.
Welcome. In this video I want to show you how you can check to ensure that your time zone is correct. Now the time zone that we use in vivomeetings depends on the time zone that is set on your computer or on your tablet or mobile device. If you need to change the time zone, you must change it on your computer settings. But let's just check a few things. So the first thing is when I go into schedule a meeting, I will see the time zone that I'm in, which is Central European Time. If I want to check that time zone, I can go into my menu over here on the right hand side. I go to settings and from here I click on time zone and it tells me that it is Romance Standard Time, which is another name for European time. If I want to change this time zone, I must change it on my computer settings. Now, if you enjoyed this video, give it a like, make sure that you subscribe to our channel and ring that little bell, ding-a-ling-a-ling, so that you will be notified each time we upload a new training. I'll see you in the next video.